Kasi. Ah. Hi guys. What's that? Okay.
Para iniadip nasa window.
In case of a water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, zip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push ends to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate the vest. Manual inflation is done by the means of the red tube. Blow to increase the air and push pins inward to release the air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft, and please be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you, remove your face mask and put the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug feet and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exit. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a side rack. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself.
gentlemen, we are now on our final descent, and the captain has switched on the fasten seatbelt sign. At this time, make sure the window shades are up, tray tables are stowed, seat backs are in their upright position, and your seatbelts are securely fastened.
Bumababa na po kami. Nantok pa po siya.
Together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all aboard, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.